All right, we're back with week 2 adventures in making, working on a dimmer with the Arduino. This is the code that I used. And then this is my light. So you can see we can use the potentiometer to control the brightness of the light. I will be honest with you, I could not find in my manual anything to do with this that wasn't the potentiometer. Where I found them using the potentiometer, it was a much more elaborate setup with an LED board that they were using, and I didn't quite feel ready for that. So I went online to Arduino's website and found kind of a basic starter explanation there of how to do this. And so from what I understand from my learning so far, I have the red wire here that's providing the 5 volts. I have the blue wire here that's the grounding wire. The orange wire here is going from the analog across to the other side of the breadboard, and then the potentiometer is bridging the gap between the two sides, because I did learn that when I was watching the videos at the beginning of the week, that this gap right here, if you want something to connect from this side to this side, you need something to bridge the gap over in that same channel or row. And then over here we have another ground wire going to the opposite side, the digital wire coming in, the resistor, which keeps my bulb from burning out, which I made the mistake of messing with last week and did have a bulb casualty, and then the blue bulb. I've done it with the yellow one too. I just didn't think it was as bright. You couldn't get the same effect, so I moved over to a blue bulb. And so this potentiometer, because it's taking the code, is able to control how bright or dim the light becomes. So pretty cool. My family is fairly impressed with what I've created here.